So now it's time to create our save log method, which basically takes all of the parameters sent by PayPal and saves them into the text file. So if we scroll down, create a few new lines. So if we start with private function save log, and first of all we're going to check if this underscore log file doesn't equal null. That means that we obviously provided the path and the file name, which is cool. Now we start with out array, then we get current date. So out, we add into our array date, colon, and then we concatenate it with the date in the format D, M, Y, H, I, S, which is day, month, year, hour, minute, and second, basically. And let's pass the second parameter as time. Okay, so we've got our date, then we have status, which will be out equals status, and then we have this underscore IPN result after status. If we scroll up a little bit, we have log the post variables. Okay, and we're going to do out equals IPN response. Then we create colon, we create a couple of new lines in a text file. Then we have if isn't empty, this underscore IPN underscore data. We're going to do the loop for each this underscore IPN underscore data as key equals value. We have out equals, and between a double quotes, curly brace key, closing curly brace, colon, in between a curly brace value, and closing one, and semicolon right at the end. After this, we need to open and write to the log file. Okay, so we start with fp equals fopen this underscore log file, and we want to pass the second parameter as a, which will allow us to basically write to the file right at the end of the file, basically of the content inside of the file. Then we have text equal implode, and we want to implode it with the new line, so \n, and our out array. Then we have text dot equal, basically concatenating after this, two new lines, so \n. Let's place a few hyphens, then again \n, just a little bit of a formatting of a text file. And fwrite, we have fp or file, and we provide the second argument as text, which we just created basically here. Then we need to close the file, so close, and we need to pass the instance of the file. Okay, so that's our methods done. Now if we open our browser, we need to create our log folder. If we scroll right to the top, let's look for our log file here somewhere. We've got a log file at the moment is null, but obviously after our constructor we have already the path assigned to it. So we've got log folder, which is what we need to create in the root of our site. It's going to be log. Let's assign the permissions of 755 is fine, so if we keep it this way. And then obviously we need to create the file called IPN log. So new file IPN.log, and we keep it that way. Permissions, yeah, let's keep it 644. We see if it's going to work. Sometimes keep the permissions as low as possible, go higher if you have to. Obviously, you don't want anyone to write to your files. Okay, so that's done inside of the PayPal class. I think we could start testing our IPN now. Everything seems to be finished here. We've got our IPN, save into the database, save log, database files seem to be fine as well. Okay, so let's move to the next video and do some testing.